Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. You can see the base dimension here 76 and 88 and height is 64 and 36. Thickness is 40 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the new videos. Select extrude here, select the right plane, select line, create one rough sketch, create one circle here, give the dimension first 38 mm, just drag this circle, and this height is 64 and 36. And this is 76 and 88. You can create one center line here. Now give the dimension. This is 60 mm. Next, this height is 20, mm. This give the just select the entire sketch. Select mirror entities, mirror about center line. So that's it, we can trim this. Next, there is a dia 20 circle. So the thickness is 40 mm. Mid plane. Okay. Control 7 for ISO view. Next, select this surface sketch. Create one circle here. The diameter is R27 into 2. select convert entities, select this circle, okay, select extruded cut, finish sketch first, extruded cut, depth is 20 mm, okay. Again select the surface, sketch, create one more circle, the dimension is 27 into 2. Select the convert entities, this and this, trim entities, trim these lines, finish, select extruded cut, next there is a 2 flanges. For that we can select right plane, sketch, create sketch like this, give the dimension, this is a 10 mm, and here to here the pitch is 126 plus 20, 146, 146 by 2. You can mirror this sketch, mirror about center line, so finish sketch, extruded boss, select here mid plane 20 mm, select the fillet, select this and same also opposite side. Next there is a 2 holes, the diameter is 10 mm, select circle, so finish sketch, extruded cut, here we can select up to next, Control 7. So I think that's it friends, all the features are added. So we can assign the material here, metal, aluminum, polished aluminum, edit appearances. So assign some color. So we can change the machining surfaces color also. Here select faces, we can remove this, select the faces. So like this we can change the color. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope everyone enjoyed this session, and also I'm requesting please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends. We'll see you in the next session.